Close your eyes, sit quietly, and take several deep breaths. Let go of all the mind stuff that happened today. Focus on deepening your breathing and releasing any tension you may have accumulated throughout your day. Begin reflecting on any problem in which you would like to have more insight or assistance on how to resolve it. As you reflect about this problem, ask a question in your mind, such as, how do I see my way forward in this experience? Breathe deeply and wait as you focus your attention on the perceived problem. Accept this guidance and allow yourself to reflect on any answers you receive before you respond. You always have a choice in what you want to understand or want to know. Trust what you hear. And if you need more clarity, ask another question. The second question may be in regard to your first question, or it might be completely unrelated. As you think clearly about issues that require reflection, you will find that you are strengthening your emotional intelligence muscles. Your mind is getting sharper, and you begin to cultivate your intuition to reach higher levels of truth and knowing. This higher knowledge will enable you to see a bigger picture and a solution. Listen quietly for the answer to your query, and trust that what you hear is correct. If you do not hear anything at this time, that is okay. You may get clarity after the meditation is finished, through thoughts, feelings, or images you may encounter. The answer will come. Practice this exercise for any situation, any experience, or any problem you face.